Here I have LG K40 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose display. Here choose wallpaper and theme, and from the following view, let's tap allow to wallpaper to access photos, media, etc. And as you can see, you can set up wallpaper from the pictures right here. Here you've got your pictures. Let's just tap allow if this is your first time. You can select your album, or you can go back and use one of the wallpapers from the LG gallery. Let me use the following one. You can decide either you would like to use it on your home screen or on your lock screen. Let me use on my both screen, tap set wallpaper, and that's it. Wallpaper has been changed. You can also set up theme, or you can change icons. Basically, if you go back to your home screen, you should see the new wallpaper. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.